welcome back to my channel. Hello! Kamusta po sila? Kamusta po kayo? I hope you are all doing well. Today, I'm very excited to share to you guys a very small but beautiful haul. Yesterday, I went for a walk with my husband and it was a beautiful day yesterday. It was freezing, but the sun came out, so it was nice to have a winter walk outside. And after that, we passed by the range. Just a quick trip. I just wanted to buy. I ran out of my Flora. I usually get it from the range because it comes in big bottles and it is quite cheap in there compared to getting it from somewhere else like Tesco or Amazon. It's far more expensive, so I usually get it from the range. This is not a massive haul, obviously, but I wanted to share it to you because I will be showing you how I decorate our house for the winter season. Hopefully next week if things push through, but definitely I'll be showing some of the things that I bought to kind of incorporate rustic farmhouse vibe into our home. So anyway, enough blubbing. Enjoy that kind of videos. Please do subscribe and hit the notification bell, and so that you will be notified when I upload next. And of course, share, hit a like if you enjoyed this video and share it to your friends and family. I would appreciate it so much. And yeah, without further ado, let's just dive into this haul. So guys, first of all, I went to the range because of this. These are the Flora Big Value Pack Concentrated Disinfectant. So I love this stuff. It is a disinfectant. It is a disinfectant in concentrated form, and it comes in different scents. So for this one, this is a pink grapefruit, and this one is springtime. During the Christmas time, I had warm cinnamon. It's lovely. It makes our house smelling cinnamon and sweet cinnamon. But anyway, it comes in different scents, so it depends on how you like, what you want. I think it comes in raspberry and apple and linen, fresh linen, so different scents. So basically, it's a concentrated disinfectant. You can mix it with your cleaning stuffs. It kills bacteria and viruses 99.9%. It eliminates odors, and it just provides all day freshness, which I totally agree. You can use it on floors, tiles, worktops, sinks, toilets, hard surfaces, bed areas, baths, taps, drains, dishcloths, and potties. So you can use this one anywhere. A 500 ml bottle cost me only $3.99, and if I have to get it on Amazon, I think it's 15 pounds. So it's very expensive. So if I run out, I always go to the range, because it's very inexpensive in the range. So for one bottle, it depends on how often I use, but basically I also use this for mixed it with our clothes when I'm washing them. So it usually lasts me for like 2 weeks, this bottle. It depends on how often I use them. So I love this one. Love. I always get it from the range to stock up. So love that one. So while we're in there, so I got this beautiful lamp, and it is up. It has already the candle, which is very nice, very handy. And this morning when I woke up, I put the batteries already. It needs AAA batteries, so you need 3 as well. So I put them, and voila, it's so pretty. So I'm planning to use it as a decorative piece. And yes, this is a small size. There's a medium and then there's also the large. I'm planning to get the large when it's springtime, because I wanted to get those for the patio and for the balcony upstairs. And for the little ones, I plan to use it inside our home. And yeah, and basically it looks rustic, very like rustic farmhouse vibe, I feel. So I'm so excited. I will scatter them anywhere in the house. So obviously I love it so much, so I thought I'll get some more. So I already put my batteries. That would be nice. And the lights also flickering. And it's so beautiful. And of course, if I love something, I always buy them in different colors and in many different ones. So I have 4 of them, which is very nice. I'm so excited to get decorating our house, get that farmhouse vibe that I'm wishing. So anyway, so while we were there, I come across the homeware, dinnerware section, and I've been really looking for a long time now, even before Christmas. I really wanted to buy a new set of dinnerware because a lot of ours are broken or chipped. You know, I have boys and they are very rough. Even my daughter is very rough when they're washing their own dishes. So a lot of them came chipped and broken, and so I don't have a decent amount left for special occasions. So I'm really looking for one. I've been scouting on Amazon. I really didn't fancy anything at all. But when we went on the range, I found this dinnerware, which I thought is so pretty. So I got this one. So this is just a regular plate, which is the brand is called Eden. It is microwave safe and dishwasher safe. So which is very pretty. The back side is black, and this one I think it has a pattern, cream pattern, different kinds. I find it very pretty. I think it's gray, bluish gray, and I don't know if you'll come across the same in the camera, but this is how it looks like. It's so nice. It is a very decent weight. It's a good size. So yeah, I'm just wishing there is a bigger one of these so I can use as a serving plate. But yeah, I think this is the biggest that it comes. It feels very heavy. It looks very expensive also. I only paid $2.99 or $3.99 a piece. So it's a very, very good value. So I bought 8 pieces of that. So yeah, so it's beautiful. So I think it's kind of different. It has it's like a marble effect, so it has different. So each plate is designed a little different from the others, which is very nice. I love it. Love it. So I got 8 pieces, and then together in the range, that set I mean, is this bowl. Again, it is part of the same range. It's beautiful. So I plan to use this one for for breakfast, cereals and porridge and things like that. But it could be a nice piece for soup bowls also. So I got 5 of these. I'm hoping I will be able to get the mugs, the dessert plates as well. Yeah, the mugs are also very nice. I was just a bit surprised there's no serving plate and like serving purposes, and a bigger bowl also. I think this one is $2.49, $2.50, so less than $2.50, which is very, very well priced. I don't know if that's expensive or inexpensive. I don't know really. So fingers crossed. Hopefully next time I pass by the range, I will be able to get the dessert and serving plate and the mugs also. So that's it, guys. It's a very quick, very short and small the range haul, but everything that I have I loved, and I'm so excited to use all these stuffs. And yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends. I would appreciate so much, and that will help me grow my channel this year a lot. And of course, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And mabuhay! Bye!